Hello students, today we are going to solve few more problems of ratio and proportion. 45 women work for 8 days to earn 72,500. How many women should work for 12 days to earn 1,25,000? Okay. So 45 women are working for 8 days to earn 72,500. How many women, if they work for 12 days, to earn 1,25,000? Okay, this is the question. So if more women work for more number of days, then more will be the salary, right? More they will earn together, right? So this is a question of direct proportion. Let number of women who are working, the number of women you need to find out, let that be X. So okay, let the number of women be X. Okay, it is a compound proportion which is in direct proportion. Compound proportion means when there are more than two ratios, they are called as compound proportion. Okay, so it is a compound proportion problem which is in direct proportion. So number of women is 45:X. Number of days is 8:12. Okay, and the amount is 72,500 and 1,25,000. So you will take this and this together. Okay, so this and this together. Okay, and this, fine. So 45:X, 8:12 is equal to 72,500 is to 1,25,000. Okay, so these are the extremes. Okay, so product of extremes is equal to product of means. X and 12 and 72,500 are means. 45, 8 and 1,25,000 is extremes. Okay, so product of extremes is equal to product of means, right? So 45 into 8 into 1,25,000 is equal to X into 12 into 72,500. So X is equal to 45 into 8 into 1,25,000 divided by 12 into 72,500. Okay, now let's calculate this. (45 into 8 into 1,25,000 divided by 72,500 divided by 12. It comes to 51.72. So X is equal to 51.72. So number of women cannot be in point, right? So number of women, you need more than 51 women, so the answer is you need 52 women, or 52 women. You need 52 women to get the work done. Okay, so that if they work for 12 days, they will earn 1,25,000. Okay, so 52 women are required. Got it? Let's see the next problem. If 7 men can earn 8,400 in 12 days, working for 9 hours a day. Okay, so what is happening? 7 men are earning 8,400. Okay, 7 men working for 12 days and 9 hours a day, and they are earning 8,400. Okay, how much will be earned? So how much will be earned if 18 men work for 10 days and working for 8 hours? Okay, so let's solve. Again, this is a direct proportion problem, because if more number of people are working for more number of days and more number of hours, your earning will be more. Correct? So let the earning be x. Let the earning be x. So it is a compound proportion problem which is in direct proportion. So number of men is 7 and 18. So is in the ratio 7 and 18, right? Number of days ratio is 12:10, and number of hours is 9:8. Actually I should write ratio of, fine, you can write like this. Okay, and earning (8,400) is to x, right? So 7 is to 18, 12 is to 10, 9 is to 8 is equal to 8,400 is to x. So multiply the extremes. So these are the extreme, right? So 7 into 12 into 9 into x is equal to the product of means. Means are 18 into 10 into 8 into 8,400. Okay, so x is equal to 18 into 10 into 8 into 8,400 divide by 7 into 12 into 9. Okay, let's calculate this. What was the numbers? 18 into 10 into 8 into 8,400 divide by 7 divide by 12 divide by 9. It comes to 16,000. So earning is 16,000. So x is equal to 16,000. So therefore earning of 18 men working for 8 hours a day for 10 days will be rupees 16,000. Therefore the earning of 18 men working for 8 hours a day for 10 days will be rupees 16,000. Okay. Let's see the next problem. Sanya can do a work in 9 days. Oh, sorry, Saina it is. Saina can do a work in 9 days. Sanya can do the same work in 7 days. If both of them work together, in how many days would they complete the work? Okay. Sanya can complete a work in 9 days. Okay. So suppose this is a work. Okay. I'll divide in exact 9. Okay. I'm dividing in exactly 9 parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So every day she is doing 1/9 of the work. Okay. So when she is doing every day, she is so first day she finished this much, which I have colored just now. Second day she finished this much. Third day she finished 1/3 of the work. So in it takes in one day she completes 1/9 of the work. So she can finish the whole work in 9 days. Okay. So Sanya can complete 1/9 of the work in 1 day. Okay. In one day Saina can finish 1/9 of the work. Okay. In one day she can finish 1/9 of the work. Similarly, Sanya can do same work in 7 days. Suppose this is work. Okay, and I divide exactly into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, okay, that means in one day she finishes 1/7 of the work. Right? Saina finishes 1/9 of the work in one day and Sanya does 1/7 of the work in one day. So if both of them work together, so in one day they both will finish 1/9 plus 1/7 of the work. Let's see how much is 1/9 plus 1/7. Okay. So denominator is not same. So 7 plus 9 upon 9 into 7. 9 into 7 is 63. 7 plus 9 is 16 by 63. Okay. So in one day they will finish 16 by 63 of the work. Right? How many days it will take to finish 63 by 63 of work? 63 of 63 is 1. Correct? 63 upon 63 is 1. Right? So it takes 1 day to finish when both of them are working together. So 16 by 63 of the work can be done in 1 day. To finish 63 by 63, that is full, to finish full work, how much days it will take? So let's cross multiply. 63 by 63 is 1. So instead of writing 63 by 63, I can write 1 also. Right? So cross multiply. 1 into 1 divide by 16 upon 63. Okay. So this can be written as 63 upon 16. So when you do 63 upon 16, 63 divided by 16, so 3.93. So it will take 3.9375 days. So it will take 3.9375 days to complete the work. Got it? Okay. So but how you will write in the exam? This is not the way to write. You will write in words. Okay. So I'll start writing here. Saina can do a work in 9 days. That means she completes 1/9 of the work in 1 day. Okay. Sanya can do same work in 7 days. So she completes 1/7 of the work in 1 day. Okay. If both work together, in 1 day, they will finish 1/9 plus 1/7 of the work, which is 7 plus 9 divided by 63 is equal to 16 by 63 of the work. They will finish 1/9 plus 1/7, which is 16 by 63 of the work. Okay. So now day and work. If in 1 day they can finish 16 by 63 of the work, okay, so how much days it will take to finish 63 by 63 of the work? And 63 by 63 is 1. So instead of writing 63 by 63, I can write 1. Okay. So 1 into 1, which is 1, divide by 16 by 63. Okay. So 1 by 16 by 63 can be written as 63 by 16. Right? If A by B divided by C by D is there, you can write A by B multiplied by D by C. Okay, you can write this way. If there is divide, then you can multiply and just make the reciprocal of the denominator. So same thing we have done. So 16 by 63, let's calculate. 16 divided by 63 is equal to 63 divided by 16 is equal to 3.9375 days. So 3.9375 days it will take to complete the work, or 4 days. So it will take 4 days, almost 4 days. Okay. Let's solve the next problem. 6 men and 8 women together can complete a piece of work in 10 days. Work done by a woman in 1 day is equal to half the work done by a man in 1 day. Okay, that means 1 man is equal to 2 women, because a woman takes full day to complete a work and man takes only half a day to complete the same work. So 2 women is equal to 1 man. If 10 women are working alone, in how many days will the work get complete? Okay, so only women are working, men are not working. So let us convert the 6 men and 8 women into women. Okay, so wait, 6 men and 8 women complete the work in 10 days. Okay, if there are only 10 women, how many days it will take? Okay, so 6 men you have to convert into number of women. Okay, so in the question they have given, work done by woman is in 1 day is equal to half the work done by a man. Okay, so that means 1 man is equal to 2 women. Okay, so 1 woman can finish a work in full day and 1 man can finish the same work in half a day. Okay, so man is a stronger one, so 1 man is equal to 2 women. Okay, in this case, so instead of writing 6 men, I can write 12 women also. Instead of writing 6 men, I can write 12 women and 8 women together can finish in 10 days. So 12 plus 8, which is 20. So 20 women can finish a work in 10 days. 20 women can finish a work in 10 days. Okay, if there are 10 women, how much time it will take? Okay, so this is work. It is an inverse proportion, correct? Because more number of people, it will take less time. Less number of people, it will take more time to finish the work, right? So ratio of women is 20:10 and ratio of days is 10:x. Okay, because it is inverse proportion. Okay, so 20:10 is equal to, instead of writing 10:x, you will write x:10. So 20 into 10 is equal to x into 10. So 200 is equal to x into 10. Okay, so x is equal to 200 upon 10, which is 20. So it will take 20 days to complete the work. Okay, so let's start solving. Okay, let number of days be x and one man is equal to 2 women. Okay, therefore 6 man is equal to 12 women. You just did 6 into 2, so 12 women. Okay, so 12 women plus 8 women is equal to 20 women. Therefore 20 women can complete a piece of work in 10 days. Okay, now ratio of women, or I can write woman ratio, is 20:10 and days ratio (10:x). It is a problem of indirect proportion. Right? So 20:10 is equal to reverse x:10. Okay, product of extremes multiplied by products of means. So 20 into 10 is equal to x into 10. So x is equal to 20 into 10 divided by 10. 10 cancel. X is equal to 20. So 20 days. Okay. Let's solve the next problem. A rich person gave 5/9 of his property to his son and 50% remainder to his daughter and the balance to his wife. Okay. If the difference between the shares of son and daughter is rupees 32,500, find the value of total property and the share received by his wife. Okay. So let's solve this. Okay. So there is some amount of property. Let the property value be x. Okay. So there are 3 people: son, daughter and wife. 5/9 of his property. So whatever is the property, okay, property is x. So out of x, 5/9 goes to son. So 5/9 of x. X into 5/9 goes to son. Okay. So what is remaining? If the 5/9 out of 5/9, 4/9 is remaining. Right? So 4/9 is remaining for daughter and wife. right? So daughter will receive 50% of remaining. So 4 by 9 into 50% will be received by daughter. That means remaining 50% will be received by wife. That is 4 by 9 into 50%. Correct? And difference, 4 by 9 is 4 by 9 of x. Property value is x, no? X into 4 by 9 is remaining. So the difference between the share of son and daughter, so the difference here is 32,400. Okay, so 5 by 9 is the bigger number, right? And 4 by 9 into 50% is all smaller number. 4 by 9 into 50% is 2 by 9 actually. Okay, so 5 by 9x minus 2 by 9x is 32,400. Find the value of x, that is find the value of property. Okay, so you will find out how much is wife's share. Okay, so let's start. So let the whole property be x. Therefore, the son's share will be the son's share is equal to x into 5 by 9, right? Or 5 by 9x. Daughter's share is 50% of remaining property, is 50% of remaining okay. So remaining property is 4 by 9, right? 5 by 9 plus 4 by 9 will become 9 by 9, which is full. Correct? So 4 by 9 is the remaining property. Okay? Or what you can do is 1 minus 5 by 9. Okay? So 1 minus 5 by 9 you do. So 9 minus 5 divided by 9, which is 4 by 9. Got it? So this is how you calculate. Okay, so remaining property is 4 by 9, 50% of 4 by 9. Okay, so remaining property is 4 by 9. Okay, daughter's share is equal to daughter's share is equal to 50% of remaining property. So x into 4 by 9 into 50%. Okay, so x into 4 by 9, this is the x is the full value of property into 4 by 9. Okay, into 50% means 50 upon 100. 1 za 2 za 1 za 2 za. So x into 2 by 9 or 2 by 9x. So daughter's share is 2 by 9x, and even wife's share is 2 by 9x, by the way, because daughter's share and wife's share is same. 50% of remaining is for daughter and 50% of remaining is for wife. Okay, and they have said the son's share minus daughter's share is 32,400. Right? So difference is given as 32,400. So write down the difference the difference between son and daughter's share is rupees 32,400. So 5 by 9x minus 2 by 9x is equal to 32,400. So 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9 x is equal to 32,400. Okay. So 5 minus 2 is 3 by 9. 3 by 9x is equal to 32,400. So x is equal to 32,400 into 9 by 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 32,400 into 3. Which is 97,200. 97,200. So the whole value of the property is 97,200. Okay. So whole value or the value of whole property is rupees 97,200. Okay. Son's share is 97,200 into 5 by 9. Right? So 97,200 into 5 by 9. It comes to 54,000. Daughter's share (97,200) into 2 by 9. It comes to 21,600. And wife's share, you don't know how much it is, okay, but you know the total is 97,200. So the difference, okay, so 97,200 minus 54,000 minus 21,600, it will come 21,600 only, because wife's share and daughter's share is same. Okay. So therefore his wife will get 21,600. Share of property. Value of whole property is asked 97,200. Value of wife's share is asked 21,600. This is how you write in the exam. Okay, let's see the next question. This is a similar question. Father gave 7/12 of his property to his eldest son and 24% of remaining property to his younger son. The balance is distributed to an orphanage and old age home in the ratio of 3:2. If both the sons together get 3,69,000, find the value of the total property and the amount of that orphanage and old age home will receive. Okay. So we don't know how much is the property. Let the property be X. Okay. So father has two sons, elder son and younger son, and remaining property will go between orphanage and old age home. Okay. So elder son will get 7/12 of the property. 7/12 of the property will be received by elder son, that is X into 7/12, because the property value is X. Okay. So remaining is 5/12 is remaining. Okay. So out of 24% of remaining property, that means 5/12 is the remaining property multiplied by 24%. So 5/12x is the remaining property. Okay, x into 5/12 is remaining property multiplied by 24%. So 24 upon 100. Okay. So when I calculate this, 12 ones are 12 twos are. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 50s are. So 5/50x. Okay. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So 1/10. So 1/10 of x is for the younger son. Okay. And they have said both together is 3,69,000. That means 7/12x plus 1/10x is equal to 3,69,000. Okay. Now let's calculate this. X is common. 7/12 plus 1/10 is equal to 3,69,000. You calculate this. X 70 plus 12 divided by 120 is equal to 3,69,000. So x into 82 divided by 120 is equal to 3,69,000. So x is equal to 3,69,000 into 120 divided by 82. Okay. So let's calculate this. Three lakh 69,000 divided by 82 multiplied by 120 divided by 82 multiplied by 120. It comes to 5,40,000. That means full value of property is 5,40,000. Okay. So 5,40,000 is the full value of property. Okay. And both son and you can just do elder son's share would be 5,40,000 into 7/12. 7/12 you will get elder son's share 5,40,000 into 1/10. You will get 1/10. You will get younger son's share. The total is 3,69,000 between these two is 3,69,000. So remaining property, which is 5,40,000 minus 3,69,000. Let's see this. Minus 3,69,000 comes to 1,71,000. 1,71,000, and this 1,71,000 is shared between orphanage and old age home. Orphanage and old age home in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so 1,71,000 into 3 by 5 will go to orphanage, and 1,71,000 into 2 by 5 will go to old age home. Okay, so let's start solving. Okay, so let the value of the property be x. Elder son's share will be 7 by 12x. Okay, younger son's share, okay, I'll just solve remaining property for you. Remaining property is equal to 1 minus 7 by 12, which is 12 minus 7 divided by 12, which is 5 by 12. Okay, so younger son's share is equal to 24% of 5 by 12, right? So 5 by 12x into 24%, which is equal to 5 by 12x into 24 upon 100. 12 ones are 12 twos are 5 ones are 5 20s are, then 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. So 1 by 10x. Okay, both the son will receive together will receive rupees 3,69,000. That is 7 by 12x, 7 by 12x plus 1 by 10x is equal to 3,69,000. X is common, take x common. 7 by 12 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 3,69,000. Okay, denominator is not same, so 70 plus, okay, 10 into 7 is 70, right? 70, and 12 into 1 is 12, divide by 12 into 10 is 120. 3,69,000. So x into 82 upon 120 is equal to 3,69,000. So x is equal to 3,69,000 multiplied by 120 divided by 82. And when you solve this, I have solved it before. Yes, it comes to 5,40,000. So x is equal to 5,40,000. Therefore, the value of the total property is rupees 5,40,000. Okay. Okay. After writing this, find the value of total property and the amount that orphanage and old age home will receive. Okay. So both are getting 3,69,000 together. So remaining property left for orphanage and old age home okay, remaining property left for orphanage and old age home is equal to 5,40,000 minus 3,69,000, which is equal to 1,71,000. And this is shared among orphanage and old age home in the ratio 3:2. Right? So sum of the terms of ratio 3:2, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Orphans share is equal to 1,71,000 into 3 by 5. Okay, and old age home share is equal to 1,71,000 into 2 by 5. So 1,71,000 into 3 by 5 is 1,02,600. 1,02,600, and old age home share $68,400. And that is asked. Whole value of the property is asked, which is 5,40,000. Orphan share comes to 1,02,600, and old age home share comes to 68,400. Okay, that's it for the day, students. In the next class we will be solving problems which have come in the past examinations. Okay, have a